Welcome pioneers. Nowadays children need to be entertained most part of the time. So in today's video, we are gonna show you the best gadgets on Amazon to make kids take advantage of technology while learning by themselves and having a good time all together.
We know how important a good night's sleep is for your child's growth and development. Introducing Kelvin, the all-in-one room monitor designed to give you better peace of mind. Kelvin is a color-changing nightlight, room thermometer, and humidity reader rolled into one cute little package. Kelvin uses colors to let you know when it's too hot or too cold. When it is too cold, Kelvin will turn blue. When it is too hot, Kelvin will turn red. When it's just right, Kelvin will glow amber. You can even customize a comfortable temperature range to meet the needs of your child. Simply program the range up or down to determine when Kelvin should change colors. Kelvin also tells you the humidity in the room, which contributes to dry skin, mold growth, and allergens. You'll never have to guess whether your room is too dry or too humid again. With Kelvin, you can rest easy knowing you have a bedside companion to help your child achieve the perfect night's sleep. We know you have enough on your plate, so let Kelvin make your life just a little bit easier. Kelvin, brought to you by Little Hippo. Parenthood just got easier.
Hello will do.
And then, just to show them, I'll sail to Katru.
Once upon a time, there was a little princess.
Here at Really RAD Robots, we make
Me, Turbobot.
Ready, Turbo?
I'm your turbocharged speed machine. Oops.
Turbo!
Yo!
Spin!
I think I'm gonna puke. What's that smell?
Woohoo! It's turbo time. Control me if you can. I'm Turbobot from Really RAD Robots. Batteries and board bits not included.
That's all for today, pioneers. This has been our compilation of tech gadgets.
We hope you like it and also to see you back soon.